In today's video, I'm going to talk about this amazing AI tool that can generate the engaging content for your LinkedIn profile. And not only that, there's also the viral content finder that will let you find the what are the viral topics and the ideas. With this single click, you can even repurpose this post for you. There's also the LinkedIn carousel generator. I have showed you that this is the tool that even generate the carousels for you. And there's also the LinkedIn profile analyzer. Just hit the your profile URL here and it is going to analyze your profile, so you what is the things you need to improve so your LinkedIn profile is better aligned with the platform. So hey guys, this is Basant here, and today's video I'm going to talk about 2PR. This is the tool for the LinkedIn content that can help you to find and generate the ideas, write posts, design carousels and schedule on the LinkedIn with a single AI agent here. So today's video will give you a detailed overview on the features of the 2PR. I will talk about all the things this platforms is offer. So right now its lifetime deal starting from the $69 and it has the 3 tier plans available. Every tier plan give you the extra limits on the user profiles and the how many the posts you can generate. I suggest go with the tier 2 plan because here you will get the up to the 25 posts per month, and this is efficient for any individual LinkedIn profile. If I talk about the models you will get in the tier 2, we have the access of the ChatGPT, Cloud and the Google Gemini. If you go to the tier 3, we have the up to 3 LinkedIn profiles connectivity available. So if you want to check it out, this LinkedIn deal for the AI agent, I suggest check out the description and the comment section. Plus, I am also giving out my free bonuses, so make sure you check them out as well. Now, let me get to the platform. So, once you got the lifetime deal, this is the dashboard you are going to log in. And the first feature I am really excited is talk about is their LinkedIn carousel generator, and this is the free absolutely without even getting the lifetime deal. You can use its LinkedIn carousel generator. Along with this, we have also the few more tools we can use absolutely free, like the LinkedIn profile analyzer. We have the carousel generator, we have the headline generator, hook generator, and there's also a PDF file what goes viral on the 2025. So this is absolutely free tools you can use on the 2PR. So if you want to check it out, these tools as well, link is given in the description. So you have to just simply click here on the create new carousel, and after that you have to follow a few options, like you can provide the slides, you can upload the files. My favorite one is create from the web. I have to simply add or paste any blog post link, and it can just generate or turn that blog post into the carousels like this one here. Then we have this advanced AI section available where we have to just describe our topic and it will generate the carousel for us. So I just search here local business SEO and I find out this is the guide to dominate on the local uh, business SEO here. So simply I will copy the link of this post here and I have to get back on the this carousel generator and simply select first create from the web, and after that you have to paste the URL here. So this is the URL, simply paste it here, and after that simply click here on the this arrow like icon. This will give the command to generate the carousels, and after that it will generate the carousel like this one here. You can see this is the retail carousel out of this blog post here, this one blog post here. Okay, so that's how it can use any website URL to generate or turn that into the carousels. Now how you can customize the few things, like right now there is the black background, so you want to change that, you have to go to this option that is the content, and after that even if you want to change the text you can do that. Even if you want to generate this first slide out of the scratch, you have to just describe the idea and hit this edit icon. It will just start generating the new slide for you. Okay, so suppose you like this one and now you want to add the few images you can add from this one, and I want to add or change this black background. So I will simply click here on uh, this browse, and I will able to upload my own background image, but I want to search here. So simply you can search, like I want to go, okay, we have this so many background images already available, so I can select any of like this one. Okay, so suppose I will like let's go with this one here. So now this will be the automatically added in my background of this slide here. So right now the opacity is little bit higher, so I will make it around the 30. Okay, and now you can see this is how it's look like. So this is for the single slide, first slide. Okay, this is the second slide, you can see, and right now again I can do it here. I can search the background image and apply it here. So that's how you can do the changes here. Then we have the settings available, like this is right now for the square, but I want to make it horizontal or the vertical. We have the layout options available. Right now this is the vertical format here. I want to show the numbers here, so enable this one and you will start checking out the numbers on the average slide. If you want to do the more things like the remove watermark, you can do that, and you want to add the QR on the light last slide, you can add that. Then we have the brand option. You want to change the colors here, you want to change this user inter username or the user profile URL or the handle, you can change that one. So that's how you are going to customize any carousel information here. Okay, now let me talk about the other features. Suppose you want to create a new post, and you can do that easily. So simply you have to go to the create section, and here you have to just give the idea or topic. Even if you don't have the any topic or the ideas, this AI tool is going to suggest the topics after analyzing your profile. So let's first analyze the profile. So this is the section available. You have to simply paste your URL and click here on the analyze profile. It will start showing up where you need to do the changes. Like I got the recommendations, I need to add the current and the past work experience. I have to just include the endorsement and the recommendations or the social proof. I have to expand the education section. Okay, so all the things I need to improve, or okay, and there's also I can quickly see where I like the things like work experience. I like this kind of this stuff. So that's how you are going to analyze your profiles, and once you have analyzed, it will start suggesting you the topics. So select any of the topic. Okay, and there you can see some of the topics. Even this Reddit icon means these topics it's fetched from the Reddit itself, means I am going to generate the content on a topic that people are actually searching here. So simply hit the or select any of the topic and it will generate the content for you. There's also the this section available that lets you talk with the topics, and with just like the chat we do in the search engines or the chat GPT, it will start generating the content for me. So this is how this platform works out. There's the this section available, that is the calendar. There you will able to see what content you have the posted, what content right now in the schedule. Okay, so this will let you track. So this is how the platform and all the features that you can see here. There's also a section available where to start, that lets you do like you want to generate the ideas, you want to generate the post from the ideas. Okay, so that kind of the stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video on the 2PR. If you want to check out its lifetime deal, link is given in the description and the comment section along with the bonuses. So make sure you check it out. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next one.